Welcome to all my dear friends who are watching and listening my YouTube channel See the World. Today we want to discuss about the Beijing. Beijing as the capital of the People Republic of China, few city in the world have survived for so long as political headquarters and cultural central of an area as immense as the China. Subscribe and press the bell icon to watch more videos. The city has been an integral part of China's history over the past 8 centuries, and nearly every major building of any age in Beijing has at least some national historical significance. The importance of this make it impossible to understand China without knowledge of this city. Now talk the landscape of Beijing. Beijing site. The city of Beijing is situated at the northeast apex of the roughly triangular North China Plain and lies at an elevation between 100 and 130 feet above the sea level. The large municipality is almost completely surrounded by heavy province except for two short stretches. I want to tell you the climate of Belgium. Through Belgium is a relative short distance from the sea. Generally, air circulation in the region is mainly from the northwest throughout the year. Maritime effect on the region weather are major. The climate is clearly of the continental monsoon type that occur in the temperature zone. So traditional and dwelling. So now talk traditional and dwelling. Belgium has storage of Chinese articultural achievements is exemplified by both private and housing and public building, as the whole city was laid out in a rectangular street pattern symmetric arrangement around the place compounded. Almost every dwelling in the city is always rectangular in the form. Interesting. One of the main differences between the imperial capital of former times and present-day Beijing is that the old city was center of consumption rather than production, receiving supplies of all kinds from other parts of the country. Commerce and finance. The service sectors comprising both providing and government agency has expanded significantly as the city and region industry and population have grown. I want to talk some tourism and Belgium. Tourism has become increasingly important to Belgium economy. Visitors are attracted by some beautiful places in China and Belgium like Great Wall and etc. Transport. Belgium is the railroad center of China. It is also some beautiful taxis, bus service, metro service, airports, etc. Health. China Medical Service employ both traditional Chinese and Western style medical practice. Belgium has some of the most best hospital of both system in the country. Now we talk to tell you some education about the Chinese education. Before 1949, much of the education at all schools in Belgium was in the hands of privates, many of which were run by missionaries. The government subsequently took steps to abolish private schools and put all education in the hands of states. Now we talk museum and laboratories. Museum and libraries. The place museum houses and the main building of the former imperial places contain the city great collection of art and treasury. So this is the short information about Belgium. Now I tell you again that I pronounce some word not correctly, but it is problem in my tongue. Not I made the mistake. Even I can't provide my mother language correctly. So sorry for this. Okay, bye. See you again. Please subscribe my channel. See the world for more beautiful videos.